Welcome. Today, we unravel the secrets to commanding respect instantly. Dress the part. Clothes matter. Dress slightly better than the occasion demands. Polished shoes. They reveal attention to detail. Confident posture. Stand tall. Your body speaks before your words do. Firm handshake. A handshake, firm, not crushing, signals strength. Eye contact. Confidence radiates when you look someone in the eye. Public speaking. Own the room. Command attention. Each person matters. Speak with conviction. Speak clearly, confidently. Avoid filler words. Summarize your values succinctly. Master the art of listening. Listen actively. Show genuine interest. Pause before responding. It shows thoughtfulness. Nodding agreement. Acknowledge their words by your body language. Know when to be silent. Let them fill the void. Silence is powerful. Emotional intelligence. Understand their feelings. Empathy bridges gaps. Conflict resolution. Resolve disputes calmly. Anger reflects a lack of self-control. Project authority. Decide swiftly. Indecision erodes respect. Be reliable and consistent. Punctuality. Respect for others' time. Commitments matter. Deliver what you promise. Humility. Express gratitude sincerely. Credit team efforts. Acknowledge the contribution of others. Remember, respect isn't demanded. It's earned. If you found this valuable, hit that subscribe button below.